Hello, this is Ren and it's day 4 of our 10K in 30-day challenge. Watch my previous videos to know what we have done so far in the last 3 days. So today we're going to be talking about mindset. So have you ever felt like you're doing everything right? Following sales strategies, marketing, making the calls, networking, but still struggling to hit your goals. You see, others closing deals effortlessly while you're stuck, wondering what's missing. The truth is, sales success isn't just about skills or effort. It's about mindset. The way you think, the way you feel, the way you believe, and the way you show up every day determine your results. If you don't truly believe you can achieve your sales goals or any goals that you have, you're sabotaging yourself before you even begin. Today, I'm going to show you how to shift your mindset, remove mental blocks, and start manifesting the results you want in your business or in your personal life. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap to increase your sales, close more deals, and step into your highest potential. Are you ready? Let's jump right in. Sales is a mental game. If you believe that closing a deal is hard, guess what? It will be hard. But if you train your mind to see sales as an act of service, helping people solve problems, everything changes. Let me ask you a question. What do you believe about sales? Do you see it as a struggle or an opportunity? Successful salespeople don't think, I hope I close this deal. They think, this client needs me and I provide value. This deal is already mine. So let's talk about the 3 key mindset shifts. Okay, number 1, confidence over desperation. Confidence in yourself and belief in the value of the product or services you're selling or providing. People buy from those they trust, not those who seem desperate. Number 2, limiting beliefs. Now, this is kind of heavy. Money is hard to earn. Is that one of your beliefs? Or rich people are greedy. I'm not good with money. Clients are hard to find. Competition is so tough. You are counter-manifesting. So this is number 1, the most popular reason why you are not manifesting. Number 3, fear of rejection. Every top sales performers don't take it personally. They see no as a feedback to refine their skills. Remember, every no gets you closer to a yes. Okay, now let's get to some practical ways of doing this. How do you apply this mindset daily? Rewire your brain. Okay, like morning affirmation. Start each day with powerful statements like, I attract ideal clients effortlessly. I close deals with ease because I provide massive value. I am a magnet of sales success. I am here to help and not to sell. Number 2, have faith and be grateful that you already achieved your goal. What would you feel when you achieve that goal? Who are you gonna tell it to? Visualize your success and remind yourself that you already achieved that goal. Number 3, reflect on your wins. Every evening, write down your small and big wins. This programs your mind for more success. I just want to let you know, everything starts in your mind. The sales strategies, the scripts, the tactics, they all work if, only if, your mindset is aligned with success. So here's my final question for you. What's one action step you will take today to shift your mindset and start closing more deals or making more sales? Drop your answer in the comments below, and if this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe and share with someone who needs to hear this. Okay, bye for now. I'll see you for day 5 tomorrow.